Patel, Kwok, and Ron live near each other along the same straight road. Patel lives 0.6 kilometers from Kwok. Ron lives 0.4 kilometers from Patel. How far do Kwok and Ron live apart? So, we do not know where they live in relation to each other. So say this is Patel, Kwok, and Ron. Ron lives 0.4 from Patel, and Patel lives 0.6 from Kwok. So in this scenario, they would be 1 kilometer apart. However, if Patel was here, Ron was here, and Kwok was here, 0.4, and Ron lives like so. This distance here would be 0.6 minus 0.4, which is 0.2. Therefore, the answer is C.